Welcome back to the channel. Have you been frustrated by a 504 gateway timeout error on your website? It is one of the most common issues that can bring your workflow to a sudden halt. But the good news is that it is usually just a server resource setting that needs a quick adjustment. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to fix the Hostinger 504 error by optimizing your configuration settings, saving you lots of time, and helping your site load faster. If this tutorial helps you get your site back online, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical guides. Let us jump right in. First things first, head over to your Hostinger dashboard. Once you have logged in, navigate to the specific website you are having trouble with and click on the dashboard button. From there, you'll want to look for the PHP Configuration menu. This is usually listed under the Advanced or Website settings. Once you have clicked into PHP Configuration, you'll see a list of various parameters. We need to focus on two specific settings that are often the culprits for these gateway timeout errors. Find the max execution time setting. Often this is set quite low by default, which can cause the server to stop processing scripts too soon. Change this value to 300 seconds. Next, look for memory limit. If your site is running heavy scripts, a low memory limit will certainly cause a 504 error. Bump this setting up to 256 megabytes. After you've updated these values, do not forget to save your changes. The last step in this process is to ensure that all your stale data is cleared out. Navigate back to your dashboard and look for the Clear Website Cache option. Clearing your cache ensures that the server is serving fresh data based on your new, improved settings. That's really all there is to it. By increasing those resource limits and flushing the cache, your site should stop timing out and start loading properly again. If you ran into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you do not miss our next technical troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.